Hello Python developers, let's solve another question problem of Python string series. This is our 17th question problem, I think so. Check if string contains only alphabets. This is our question problem. Check if string contains only alphabets. So we need to find out, we take all one string and we should find out a string contains only alphabets. So let's do this. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's check. Let's create a file inside this. Check alphabets. Alphabets, okay, dot py. This is our file. Go inside this, and if you want to increase the size of this VS Code editor, and so we need to check is alphabet. So let's take a string as a input, as equal to input, enter a string आप string किसी भी वेरिएबल नेम से ले सकते हैं, no matter what you have taken. Okay, so if s dot is अल्फा का यूज करेंगे इस टाइम. इस बार हम यूज करने वाले हैं इस अल्फा का कॉलन. प्रिंट करेंगे string contains only alphabets and else स्टेटमेंट में यूज करेंगे print string does not contains only alphabets. Okay, that's it. And now run this program. String, enter a string. So we need to enter a string with only alphabets. So we will take some alphabets and press enter. So string contains only alphabets. When we take alphabets with digits, it will show you. Let's see. First we take a string and with digits and press enter. So it will show string does not contains only alphabets. So this is our solution to do this. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.